Alright, what's up YouTube? So, back in the shed. This time, I'm going to be making 2 signs for my old man for his birthday and Father's Day. And out of really nice silky oak and some hardwood pieces on the back. So, let's get into it. You in the back. Come here, now. Alright, what's up? So, super quick little trick. While I'm drilling these, I want to countersink them too, but I don't have my countersinking bit. So, I'm just running along with a drill bit that's bigger, that's about the right size for the head, and then I've turned my drill down to like 1. So then basically it doesn't have much power, and as soon as you're done, as soon as it cuts out, you're at a pretty good depth for the countersink, just to take out some of that bulk for when you do it. And obviously the more you turn it up, the more it'll go deeper before it cuts out, and it's a good way to not over countersink. Alright, all done now. Overall, pretty happy. Couple little things, like I was originally left the words a little bit smaller so that I could carve some other stuff around it, but then I decided and burn it and do the whole thing, but then I decided not to because I thought the grain was so epic. But then I realized it meant that the words look a little small in comparison to the size of the piece. So I was going to move all my screws, cut them all down, re-varnish, re-sand, do the whole lot. But then I decided to leave it because I think that the silky oak grain just looks so epic, and I didn't really want to lose all that. So I think it'll still read from a distance really nice, and then when you come up you can really see the awesomeness of the silky oak and how nice and crazy the grain looks. And so I didn't really want to lose all that. So yeah, overall pretty happy. I think securing it from the back was a great way to deal with the issues with the cracks. That way I could just fill them with putty. And I really hope that you liked the stop motion stuff. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below if you're not a fan or a fan. That'd be really awesome. I'd really like to know. And while you're there, you can hit subscribe. And while you're there, you can check out another video if you want. That'd be awesome. Till the next one. Peace.